Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a simple one. I'm going to replace my tail light, brake light, and then these running lights with some new LEDs by Auxito. I've used the Auxito lights in the past and I've never had a problem with them. In fact, my whole element has Auxito lights. And I'll put a link to that video in the description. But for now, let's get started and get these lights installed. So this is a really easy upgrade. All you need is a flat blade screwdriver. You come over to your clips and you just unscrew it, pull it out, and then that's pretty much what it looks like. And we're going to catch this one over here. Same way. There's number 2. And then I like to pull this one off too. It just gives me a little bit more room. But this one here really isn't necessary. But it only takes a second to pull it, so why not? And then we're just going to take our stuff here. And then we'll put it down. Let me put this over here just to hold it. And that's it. And then you just got to determine what the light is. So it is this one here. And you're just going to twist it counterclockwise and pull out the bulb. So here's our LEDs. Go ahead and just pull one out of the package. Grab this. And it just pops right in. And then we'll come over to the light. Then you go clockwise, put it in, and that's it. All right, so now all this here goes back together. We just put it all up in here. We take our clips again. One goes here. Put our clip in. One goes up here. And the other one is right here. We're all good. Then we want to take this rubber piece and just kind of come around, make it like it was never touched. So next, I'm going to replace these lights here. They're actually a lot more simple. So to do that, let's pull this up, and it's right here. It's this one. This was going to turn counterclockwise again. Pull it out. This one's actually pretty burnt. It was going to go anyway. So we take our new bulb, put it in, put it back up, counterclockwise. Now we go clockwise, and it's installed. That easy. By the way, this stuff here, if you didn't know, it's a backup camera. I did a full installation video. I'll link that in the description. So I want to show you the difference in lighting. So on the left side is the LEDs, and on the right side is the regular lights. And let me shut off the garage lights so you can see it in the dark. I hope you got something out of today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll leave a part number to these LED bulbs and where to purchase them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.